How to share Temu products on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share Temu products on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to Temu, go to homepage and select the post that you wish to send. For example, this is the product post. So in order to share it on WhatsApp, you're going to click on this icon at the top right corner and you'll be able to see a couple of options that you can choose from. So in our tutorial, we're going to choose WhatsApp. You will be redirected to WhatsApp and you'll be able to see all of the chats over here. So you're going to search for the specific content that you wish to share it with. Once selected, simply click on the send button. And now you can see that that product post has been sent. So now what the other person has to do is simply click on this post and they will be redirected to the products post. Now, if you don't want to share it from here, you can also copy the link. In order to do so, you're going to click on this arrow again, click on copy link, and you can go to any of the WhatsApp chat. For example, here, you're going to paste that over here and click on send. And just like that, when they click on this URL, they will be redirected to the product post. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.